Hello all, welcome back to our new session. In this session I am going to explain about how to assign a business area to consolidation business area. Okay, in our last session we have created the business area and we have created the consolidation business area. Now we are going to merge the business area into the consolidation business area. For that the required transaction code is OBB6. Okay, now let's log into our SAP Easy Access screen and give the command OBB6. Hit enter. Here you should click on the position. You could see like we have created ABCT as a business area for ABCD business area for Hyderabad, and we have created a consolidation business area ABCA. Okay, now you just give A, B, C and star and click on the search. Then here you could see the business area which you have created for Hyderabad. Okay, then here you need to give ABCA. This is the consolidation business area for ABCT for the business area. So now you need to give ABCA. Here you could see in the description consolidation business area for ABCT. Click on that, click on the save, create a transport request, mention like assigning business area to consolidation business area. Click on the save button, click on this. Here you could see data was saved. Okay, now let's verify once again. Click on /n and give OPB6, hit enter. Now you could search like A, B, C and star. As I have said earlier, you could give star in the ending so that the codes or transactions which were created with the ABC could fetch all at a time. So here you could see ABCT business area, ABCA consolidation business area has been assigned for this business area. Okay, now we have done our transaction successfully, and here I could show like if you want to go for another transaction you could give /n and you could give it directly a transaction code which you want to go. For example, I am giving for creating a company. After giving the /n and I am hitting the enter, you could see in the next screen it will directly take back to the creation of company. Here you observe like the new screen has been popped up like for creating a new company. Here you can click on the new entries, or else you can search with the position mentioning the company name A, B, C, D, E. Hit enter. Here you could see our company name which we have created. Okay, this is the shortcut for switching the pages very easily. Okay, and that's all for this session, guys. I am doing very short videos in order to explain the things very clearly, and if I make more bigger videos like lengthy videos, like you guys will not be much interested to learn the SAP, because if I do the videos for about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, like you may get some distractions in order to view the videos. For that reason I am explaining each and every T code in a single video. You got the point? So that you can easily, I am mentioning the number and I am uploading the videos in a serial manner in order to make you guys easy to learn the T codes and to do the transactions easily. Okay, and one more thing I would like to say, I am just doing one transaction, like I am just doing one operation for one transaction. You guys should do multiple operations for a transaction by seeing the video. If you practice more, then you would be you would get more experience, like you would gain a lot of experience, hands-on experience for the SAP. I hope you guys got this point. So that's all for this video, guys. I would come with new transaction codes in my upcoming videos. Please give a like if you would think like my explanation is worth, and share this video to your friends and guys who are searching for to learn SAP Fico, and subscribe for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.